What's up everybody, it's Jesse with Sena. I'm here with another unboxing video. This time we're unboxing the Sena U1 e-bike smart helmet. This helmet is perfect for an urban environment where there's a lot going on, say traffic situations, maybe you're on the boardwalk riding with the family, where you still want to maintain communication with your riders in your group, but you also want to keep your ears open for all the ambient noise around you. Now we're going to unbox it, see exactly what you get when you get your new U1 smart e-bike helmet. Everything that's included in the U1 Smart e-bike helmet. First thing you get in the box is the U1 Smart e-bike helmet with an integrated communication system, nice removable washable liner, easy adjust chin strap, micro click closure to adjust the size. It also has two different visors included. The yellow tinted visors installed already, and you have a smoked visor as well that just snaps in place. You also get the USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and you get the quick start guide and safety brochures. All right, that's it. Super quick unboxing of the U1 Smart e-bike helmet from Sena. If you're looking for an urban assault helmet that you can wear and still maintain communication with your friends and family you're riding with, this is a great choice. Stay tuned to Sena's YouTube channel by subscribing and liking our videos so you always have the latest product updates. Go to Sena.com to check out our latest product offerings available now, and don't forget to follow the social channels so you have up-to-date information on all of our brand products.
Connected.